Stop saying let's learn how to communicate with confidence, charm, and clarity. Most of you watching this speak like this. My name is Ashutosh, and I'm here to apply for a job. And my hobbies are like swimming, reading. You cannot speak like this if you want your words to have meaning and have impact. Let me give you a few suggestions to fix this. Firstly, you should practice speaking in the mirror for 10 minutes a day, and secondly, make a YouTube channel, upload some videos of yourself, and analyze those mistakes by rewatching the videos. Remember that feedback will make you perfect, not just practice. You need to rewatch yourself and analyze yourself again and again and never repeat the same mistakes ever again. This is Ashutosh from IIT Bombay signing off. Click the link in the description for more free tips. Have a great day.